What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So in this video we're going to talk about the EOS R100, the most affordable EOS R camera from Canon that is now available in 2023. And this is not just the body only, it is included the kit lens, the RFS 1845. And I absolutely do not know anything about this camera, so let's unbox it together and discover what this is all about. Alright, so what do we got at first glance? We have here the manual and some kind of voucher for the software, for the app. Some warranty thingies, let's put that aside. And here it is, guys. First of all, a charger for the battery, which is always a nice thing to have. To have a charger and to give this charger some power. The cables, of course. Then, is this the camera or? This is the camera. I'm gonna put it for last. Put that aside. What else do we got? What else? So this is of course the lens. Looks like a retractable kind of lens. Very compact. Okay, good. Right. The RF mount is such a huge mount, guys. It's unbelievable. Interesting. Oh, look like how it's coming in and out. Feels very plasticky, by the way. What else do we got? A little strap. I was a little bit worried because I didn't see the battery, but here it is. The battery, of course. Okay. That's about it, actually. So we need to have the battery, of course. If I can open it. Right, so here it is, the battery. Of course, this is the LP, I think. Yeah, the LP E17 battery. So, a very, normal battery. Very known battery. And now, the masterpiece itself. Let's see. Ooh la la. Oh. Okay, I didn't know that the screen was fixed. So there I can already see that, okay, Canon has cut something in the production line in terms of cost savings and stuff, you know, so also not that much of buttons and stuff. So very basic, actually. Maybe something that we all should appreciate, more basic stuff. Check out the mount. Look at this, how big this thing is. I mean the mount, right? Doesn't make any sense for such a small camera, but anyways. Let's stick the lens on it. Alright, so nice compact body, I must admit. Very nice, compact, lightweight. I can see myself walking around with it without too much hassle. On the right side we've got an HDMI and USB-C, so that's a nice welcome. Instead of the old things that we sometimes have. A microphone input. Oh, that's actually pretty good. And then here, I think this is for a remote thingy. Okay. Quite robust feeling, guys, I must admit. Very robust. Just one mode dial. Gonna leave it on auto. And I think this is also a flash. Oh, okay. It also has a built-in flash to blind people. That's nice. Okay. Battery goes in. Let me find out let's check out. SD card slot goes in. Like so. Does it have any juice? Let's turn it on. Okay, here it is. I've now put it on a auto mode. Menu, oh too bad it doesn't have any touchscreen capability. So that is a little bit of a downside that there's no touchscreen. So, but anyways, we can just quickly move things around. Well. So let's take a first picture. Too bad I cannot see myself, but I have to use my little monitor there to see if this works. Am I in focus? I don't know. Sure looks good on the little screen, by the way. I'm trying to pinch and too bad. That's a little bit of a thingy, I guess. Okay, let's switch things around. I'm gonna put the camera on that stand right there and also show you what it's like. And yeah, let's switch things around, shall we? I don't know how it sounds like, but anyways, this is the first impression in 4K that you can get. Also, the sound quality is straight out of the camera. Just unbox it, so you know, I may want to tweak things a little bit, but this is what you can expect straight out of the box in 4K. So yeah, that's it for this video, I guess. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks, I guess, maybe a week or two, and to find out if this, the most affordable EOS R camera in the Canon lineup, is worth your money. We'll see. In the meantime, I'm not sure if I'm in focus or not. Still using the mirror here. Alright, catch you in the next one. Bye.